We are now rolling a batch of very large plates. They're for a VAPOPREX 3GN, a medium pressure steam boiler with 3 flue passes, rolling plates with 18mm thickness to a 3-meter diameter. Ferroli and DAVI cooperated to find the customized machine for our production needs, with an infeed conveyor for different plates, but also side and overhead supports for handling large diameter plates. DAVI iRoll, the control system managing the plate roll, allows us to handle all processing phases with high accuracy and granting repeatability of the final product, a fundamental requirement for the production of Ferroli.